In this video, I'm going to show you how to find YouTube channel email address. Go ahead and open YouTube on your browser and you want to find the channel that you want to reach out to. Now once found, you want to click on the channel name to take you to the channel profile. And on the channel profile, you want to click on the about section right up or the arrow beside this. Click on this and this will load the about. Scroll down a little and under channel details you should see view email address. To view the email address, click on view email address and click on I'm not a robot. Solve the captcha and then verify. Now click on submit and it's going to show you the email that the person has listed to reach out to them. So if you want to reach out for collaboration purpose, deals and other reasons, you can use the email address to send them an email. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to find YouTube channel email address, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, you can support this channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and having the post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.